Okay, let's go ahead and do this voting situation. How many students participated in this election? It's just going to be the total of all of those things. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7, I think that works out to 23. Let me just double check. See, 15, 17, 19, 23. Yep, 23. How many votes are needed for a majority? So we do 23 divided by, not 3, I'm still thinking about the fair division problem. 23 divided by 2, and I got 11.5. Round that up, and you get 12. So we need 12 for a majority. Which food is the plurality winner? So here we're just looking at first choice, first place votes. So first choice. So P has 6 first place votes. S has 6 first place votes. C has 4 first place votes. And K has 7. So K is the winner, whatever that is. Kale chips. Delicious. Board account. This is going to be the most painful of the bunch. So for C, I'll just write this out. Maybe I'll do this in purple. For C, you're going to do, so we'll do 4 points, 3 points, 2 points, and 1 point. So C is going to get 4 points for each of the four people who voted first place. You know what, I probably should do this. I'm doing this kind of backwards. Let's start from here. So these 2 people, so it's 2 times 2, get 2 points each. Then the next 2 people give C 1 point each. And then the next 4 people, they're 2 points, 4 times 2, plus 4 times 4, the 4, and then the 7 people, each of them give C 3 points each. Give me a minute, and I will type this into my calculator. And I believe that's 59. Now we go on to kale. So that's going to be 2 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 4 times 1, 4 times 1 plus 4 times 1, 7 times 4. So kale, not as ringing an endorsement as we thought it might be. So that one I can do in my head. That's 46. Pepperoni, wait, is it pepperoni? Whatever. Pickles. Delicious pickles. 2 times 4. That's 2 times 3. 4 times 3. 4 times 4. 4 times 2. 7 times 2. Okay, give me a minute here. This is 8, 6, 12, 16. Just adding up all of this. And I got 64. Pickles. And then Sour Patch Kids. 2 times 3. So I'm just working my way across. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to do this. Working my way across here, 2 times, so 2 times 2 and so on, but you probably knew that. So this is going to be 2 times, what am I on? Sour Patch Kids? 4. 4 times 4. 4 times 3. 4 times 3. 7 times 1. Wow, what a mess. Okay, we're going to get this done. 6 plus 8, 16, 12, 12, and 7. So I got 61. So it looks to me like pickles is the winner. Okay, on to pairwise comparison. So here we're going to do all 6 of these. We're going to do C versus K, C versus P, C versus S, and then K versus P, K versus S, and P versus S. So those are all of the different ways that you could have individual pairwise comparisons. There will be 6 of them, and make sure you get them all. Let's see, what can I do? Green I've used, how about blue? Okay, so going up here, the first, this is going to be a little annoying, C versus K. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to figure out who's going to win when C goes up against K. So these 2 people will vote for C, these 2 people will vote for K, these will vote for C, 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 and K. So we'll just add up the total. C gets 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 14, and K gets 9. So it's 14 versus 9, which means C is the winner. Let's do C versus P. So here we have, I'm just going to count up the P's first. So P gets 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. So that's a total of 12. And C gets 11, it looks like. So 12 and 11. Oh, sorry, I blew it. I got it backwards. P was the 12. C was the 11. So P is the winner of that pairwise comparison. For C versus S, it looks like S is going to win the first grouping. Then S, I'm going to erase these lines because if you're not watching the video, they won't make any sense. I guess I can put new arrows in. So S wins these. S, 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 then C, then C. It looks like S gets 12 and C gets 11. 12, 11. Once again, I'll erase these. So what's next? K versus P. So let's see, we have K versus P. So P wins this, P, 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 and K. So everyone votes for the most preferable of the ones that of the things that they're allowed to vote for. So this will be 14. In a minute. I don't know how I got 9 back here. I'm going to have to back up. My apologies, but at least I caught myself. That should be a 7 as well. But anyway, K, now it's correct. So if you noted that, I apologize. That should have been 7 there. So, oh wait. Man, I got to recount now. No, it must have been 9. Yeah, it must have been 9. Sorry. This one is wrong. So, and that's totally wrong. Let's try again. So using these arrows, it looks like K only gets 7. So it's only these 7 right here that vote for K. Everyone else is going to prefer pickles. And so it looks like it's 16 if you add up all the numbers that the P's, and then 16 versus 7. So it's 16 to 7. Pickles wins. Man, I'm having trouble this morning. Seems to be the case every morning, isn't it? Okay, almost done. K versus S. So I believe this is also going to be 16 to 7, where S wins. No one likes kale. Well, someone does. 7 people like kale. And then finally, we need P versus S. So let's do that one. These 2 vote for P, these 2 vote for S, these 4 vote for S. They vote for P, they vote for S, and they vote for P. So it looks to me like P is going to win, but let's get the totals. The totals are S has 10, and P has 13. Did I do that right? P, just double checking my math. All right, so now we make our table here. We have C has 1 win, K has 0 wins, P has 3 wins, and S has 2 wins. So P is the winner. Now plurality with elimination, and we need the vote counts for each round. For this one, though, we've already got the first round, and that's up here with the plurality thing. So this is round 1. Let me just change this to be, how about brown? Just to make it pretty. There. Okay, so this is round 1. Then for round 2, we're going to eliminate C and redo the election. So for round 2, let me erase all of these arrows. So we're eliminating C, redoing the election, and it looks like the only difference is that these 4 people right here are going to vote for S instead of C. And so that will give us the following. So 6S equals 10, K equals 7. So now P gets eliminated. And we're down to round 3. And it's just S versus K, but we've already done S versus K in the very previous problem. And we had S is 16, K is 7. And so S is the winner.